Respect is the most common topic that every teacher wants. Every teacher wants to be highly respected और teaching profession is all about लोग इसी उसमें आते हैं कि टीचर इज ओनली द पर्सन हु इज हाईली रिस्पेक्टेड जिसका समाज में इज्जत बहुत होता है रिस्पेक्ट बहुत होता है बट द बिटर ट्रूथ इज दैट द सम टीचर देयर आर मोस्ट टीचर्स हु आर नॉट रिस्पेक्टेड हाईली right? Or in this video, I'm gonna share the 5 tips that how can you be highly respected from your parents. Hey everyone, my name is Ajay Prajapati, fun teaching expert, English trainer, and the founder of the funnel program Revolutionary Teaching Model. Okay, so what are the 5 tips that I'm gonna share with you? Okay, then I'm gonna share this you on the basis of my own 10 years to 12 years experiences. Okay, how did this happen to me in my life from my students? How did I see it? A lot of the many compliments, the teachers, a lot of stuff is there. Okay, that I can share if you want that. A lot of in the written and all that stuff. Okay, so how would you get it? Okay, देखिए इन मेरे जो हिसाब से respect is not that your students say to you namaste. Respect is your teacher, sorry, your students they do after you. आपके पीछे जो आपकी तारीफ करते हैं that is respect. That's not the respect. People say that they talk something else and they say आगे रंजा. It's not. Yeah. So what are the 5 ways that on the basis of my experience I'm sharing this with you? Hope you like it. Okay. The first one is here. Intention to change them. Number 1, the intention. Okay? Intention to change them. Okay? When you have the pure intention, उनके फायदे के लिए, उनको बदलने के लिए, उनको आगे बढ़ाने के लिए, this is the first pillar I can say for the respect. Once you have these kind of intentions, आप भारी आदमी होंगे क्लास में, भारी टीचर होंगे, बातचीत करने में, and people would like it. Trust me, people don't like you, people like your work basically. So number 1, this one, okay, you need, okay. Number 2, love your students. Love your students. ये कितना इजीली मैंने कह दिया love your students, लेकिन ये अंदर से आएगा, अंदर से आएगा और बिना फायदे के, बिना रीजन के you cannot love your students. If you want to get the detail how to love the students, कुछ चीजें हैं, कुछ principles होते हैं. Get into like in the revolutionary teaching model where we do this kind of stuff. I help you identify how can you do this. Okay, what are the reasons? How I just connected or disconnected from my students. Okay, number 2, love your students. If you don't know how to do it, come in, I'll teach you. Number 3, build the rapport with the students. Okay, you think how do you connect with the students when you build the rapport? Rapport क्या होता है भैया? Rapport is something when student see you as a role model and they say that अरे ये तो अपने ऐसा बंदा है यार, हम भी ऐसे थे, हम भी ऐसे थे. When you build these kind of stuff and the rapport with the students, तो वो काम करता है. That works with you. Let's say I'm just giving one example. I share my story. How was my English when I was not in the childhood but as an adult? Okay, my English was 00. I give examples like this. That's how I build a rapport. My students connect with me. That's what you want. You need to create this kind of rapport. If you don't know again how to build a rapport, get into my again professional and stuff. I can't teach you all that stuff in the the videos and all that. I'm sorry. जितना possible होगा I'll try to deliver to you. But again, okay, rapport. Okay. Number 4, encouragement. क्या चाहिए? Encouragement चाहिए. ठीक है? Encourage your students to get better, to do this better. Again, motivation kind of stuff. You motivate them. Yeah, you are doing good and you are. This is what is message. ये कैसे आता है? जब आपका focus mistakes पर नहीं, target पर रहेगा. When you are focused on entire on the target. Okay? Focus there. Okay? 4th. Number 5 is understanding. Understand your students more, they will connect with you more and the game will change. Okay? Follow these 5 tips and trust me, you'll be highly respected as a man, as a classroom hero. That's going to happen to you. Okay? That's what I got the various comments and all my training or teaching. That's what you deserve. Okay? You deserve to be highly respected from your students. Alright? Okay. My name is Ajay Prajapati. Just to remind you, Teaching is not all about the knowledge, it's about delivery. See you, take care in the next video. If you want more details about this, how to get respected, is you can book my free trial session and all that, where I'll teach you how can you, what are the mistakes you are making. Wait, 888-204-0821, where you can contact with me. I will teach you. I'll be your mentor, and how to, if you're an English trainer, how to get ahead in the career. See you in the next video. Take care.